guys, we got the hood up. We got something just for the hood's weight. We're going to go ahead and get both things changed out. Now you will have to finagle with the hood once you get the old one off to get the new one to line up. Okay guys, I figured I should probably show you how this works. All you need to do is you see this little pin or these little clips right here. You just need to take your little flathead or your little pick or something, and you're going to stick it in here on top or the bottom, and you're going to pry out on it just like this. See how that opens up? You slide it up and move it around, and that's how you're going to take off the old ones. I don't think you need to do this to put these on. It should just slide in, but you can take it, just pry it up out of the way. That opens it up in here. Let's just show that back in there. As you can see how that hooks onto that ball socket. The other side is the same way. Just stick a little pick in there, pry it up, and we'll get and head up to the front of the car and get the old ones off and throw these on. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, come back. I'm sure we're going to do something else in a couple of days. So, thanks for watching.